Hey everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at Gulshan Bellina project which is located in Noida Extension. This project is built across 7 acres of land and carries 13 number of towers with 20 floors each. So this is the view of the connecting road. And this is the main entrance of our project. So this is the view from the main road. It's an under construction project and the possession of phase 1 will be given by June 2019 and the possession of phase 2 will be given by December 2019. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.